All right, fellas, it's hard to believe that that was last year. It's like, I don't know, August? So it's almost a year ago. So this is it. I mean, go check out all the other videos on Mikes Sunstar. I also have a folder, some of it's shared, but I have a folder on my Sunstar. That's the other one with the forks that I made, and I did a lot of stuff on that as well. I made forks for it. I made the lift rod, which was missing. I've got the snow plow and the snow thrower, and I've been modifying that and tweaking it. And Zippo's been helping us out too. And I got to get back to him. Shout out to Zippo as well for all the help on the Sunstars, because he has all of it. But yeah, check out all the other videos. We went over so many things. We did the transmission and filter, got all that cleaned out. We went through, I didn't get a chance to do the brakes, but we went through the PTO and the electrical. It had a computer, well, it's kind of like a computer module on it. It was a control module that runs all the safeties and everything. That had to come out, and I rewired it and just essentially using standard relay logic. So you might want to check that out. Some people have been able to follow that, some can't. And it's expandable, right? So that if I need to add other functions and features back into it, it's expandable. There's just so many things we went through the front end. It still needs some more stuff. The motor is leaning. We need, same with mine, we need to replace the motor mounts because it will damage and throw the belts and damage the pulleys, possibly damage the motor. There's a lot. But check out all those other videos, and the rims and the restoration of the rims and putting the new tires on. And I could just keep going on and on, but I won't. Thanks for checking out this episode, and I will see you soon on other videos, including this one and many others, and also some more Sunstar. And we've got at some point I'm going to get to the Simplicity Sovereign. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Flashback.
Mike, can you bring another bucket of money? Always need a fresh infusion bucket of money, right? But Mike, bring another bucket of money. It's not a lot of money, fellas. It's not that bad. It wasn't that bad.
End of Flashback.
All right, I'm just doing a quick prep. Scotch Brite and a little bit of my phosphoric acid because there was some rust on it. I should have showed you before, but I did this to mine a while back, and then I just put some chain wax on it. And some stuff that's more like a CRC too, which is like a Cosmoline. We're going to take that off in a minute. I'm also going to go do the tractor itself. Let's go take a look. All right, she's looking real good. So I'm just going to grab that Scotch Brite and just hit a few areas, right, that are raised up. There's a few spots back here. Just gonna go around a little bit and then I'll tape it off, but just quick, okay? And you'll see what will happen. And then once I get that done, I'm gonna blow this off too. I'm gonna blow this off first, and we're gonna put a little bit of paint on there, just the common areas. You know, just to kind of bring the color in line a little bit more. Let me go blow this off. All right, I'm just going to hit down here a little bit with some rusty metal primer, and a little bit in here too, just a few spots. Okay, and so it's all clean. That's taped, and I'm going to spray some of it like this as well, because I can get to certain areas and not sort of hit other areas that I don't want to hit. So let's all smooth, a little bit of sanding, just a little bit, just to knock off whatever might have been crappy. But yeah, you'll see it in a minute. Stand by. Check this out, fellas. All right, this has got to be one of the best improvements in a long time. It's just a way of nozzling out a spray can, so you can change your nozzle. Let me show you. Get a little close. See the different nozzles? That's just beautiful. So I'm going to enjoy this, right? I'm going to go play around with this, and I'll let you guys know, because it's the first time I've used it. I've seen other people use it. I haven't had the opportunity to, because not every can comes with this. I think almost the new ones are. So this is just orange, but it's a little darker orange. I think that's going to be better. We're going to finish up with this color. What we started off with was a lighter orange. Here, let me show you. Yeah. So the deck is 2X Ultra Cover paint and primer, which is nice because you get the both. I like that. It's for wood, metal, plastic, and more. It's a gloss. Now, I don't generally like glosses, but that's what he picked up. But this one is a gloss protective enamel. This is just straight up. There's no primer in it, so if I have any issues, we may have to stop. All right? This is on the deck, and here. All right, see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna shake it good. All right, you're not gonna see the tractor yet. So I'm using dial number 5, all right? And the number's on the top, but the nozzle's on the bottom. And that fan is this way, okay? Not this way, but this way. And it's sharp. Like I'm able to come down and go up. Now I'm going to see if I can get it this way. Now there is more of a stream and a flood. So I'm not going to get into all of the dials because I ain't playing around with the can today. I'm getting really good results. We'll take a look at it later. I'm working in this direction in the vertical right now, or pulling. I don't push, I pull the paint can. It is nice. I gotta let it tack up a little bit more. I'm almost done. I gotta go find this direction. I'll come back and I'll let you know and get the camera out of here, because I gotta hit the deck real quick. I'm just gonna splash the deck, the daylights out of it, make a bit of a mess, use up what's in this can, start on a fresh can in a bit. I'll see you in a minute. Well, this is the piece I've been looking for all day, fellas. What piece is that, Arch? The last piece. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Let's see if it fits. It should just go right on. Oh, fellas, that's nice. Yep. Oh, that's on there. Good. The last piece. All right. I'll bring you guys in tomorrow. You can't see it yet. Just a peek. Just a peek. guys think? Nice, huh? Sweet. So smooth. So smooth. Nice and locked. Done. Yep. Locked and loaded.
But she's sweet.
I know, it took a long time. All right, one last look, fellas. Nice. Yeah, has a good home.